Okay, this is how to download and install the Zombie mod pack, which is basically just a collection of good mods. First of all, just open your web browser, then just go to the link in the description, which is bit.ly/zombie, or Minecraft Zombie even. It should take you to a MediaFire page and just click the link which says click here to start the download from MediaFire. It should only take a couple of seconds, and when it's done, you can just close your web browser. You should then have this file here, which is a zip file. Just right click on it, so open with WinRAR archive. If you don't have WinRAR, it's downloaded in the description. I'll just move this to the right for a second. Now you just want to go to start and type in %app data %, then hit enter. Then you want to open the folder called .minecraft, then open the one called bin, then right click on the minecraft.jar, and again select open with WinRAR. Then what you're going to want to do is just select this meta-in folder and just hit delete. You can then slide this one to the right and then bring up the downloaded zip and open the folder called put inside minecraft.jar. Then you can just press Ctrl A or select them however you want and just drag and drop them into the minecraft.jar. Then on the update mode, you need to make sure it says add and replace files. Then just click OK. Okay, that's done. You can then go back and install mod loader. It doesn't matter what order you drag and drop them in, as long as they're both in by the time you opened it. You can then basically just close minecraft.jar, then bring up this window, your .minecraft window. Then navigate back to the .minecraft folder, then create a new folder called mods. Then inside that folder, create another new folder called Zombie. And notice the spelling, it's ZOMBE. Hit enter. Then go back into your download, and then there should be a folder called put inside of .minecraft-mods-zombie. Then you're just going to need to drag and drop all of these files into the zombie folder. And there you go. It's now technically installed. What you can do, just to check it's all working, is open Minecraft and log in, but you should get an error from the zombie mod saying nothing's been configured. As long as it boots up fine, that's good. This error is basically just saying there's nothing enabled. So to start enabling your mods, you want to close that in. Then just open the config text file. I'll just make that big. Now you basically just got to choose which mod you want to enable. I'm going to enable the fly mod, so I'm just going to find fly. Then once you got a mod, it just say uncomment to enable mod, which basically just get rid of the hashtag, so it looks like that, and save it. Fly mod is now enabled. You can also enable any more mods, but I'm just going to stick with the fly mod. Also here the key bindings, so if you wanted to change what turns up the fly mode on and off, you change that one, then up and down with these, and that's pretty much it. You should also be able to change the speeds, but at the moment the default is just fine. But if you really want to, you can just edit these to whatever you want. I think it goes up to 10, anything up to 10. Anyway, just close that now. And then going to want to open Minecraft, and we're going to need to change some controls for it to work properly. Go on a server or single player or whatever. I'm just going to do it on here. Okay, since you're on a server or whatever, just want to try it out. And the default setting to turn the fly mode on is F. And then to go up and down it's Q and E. But if you notice when you try to press these buttons, it's going to start opening your inventory and so on. So to fix that you need to press escape and go to options, then go to controls. Also in that help file, which is inside the zombie mod pack, there's a .html help file which explains all this for you. Once you're back in the controls, for the inventory I'm going to change it from E to tab, and you just change it by clicking on the existing key binding and then pressing a new one on your keyboard, so you can press anything, but for this I'm going to have tab. Then for the fog I'm going to choose G. Also the sneak, that's your speed modifier, so I'm going to change that to \. And that's done. You can now try out the fly mod. So I'm already flying, mode on, Pressing E to go up, Q to go down, F to turn on and off the fly mod. As you notice in the top left corner of the screen, it does say fly on when it's enabled. And let's try out the speed modifier. So it's hold shift and you're going quite fast. And the speed modifier basically just times is whatever your normal speed is by that amount. Then to turn flight mode off, you just press F and make sure you put it back on before you die. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye.